Hello, I'm Kuniko, a librarian from the Information Service and Outreach at Central. Today, I'd like to share my tips for arranging plastic bags so that they take up less space. First, flatten the plastic bag on the table. In my opinion, a table is a better place because it's a flat surface. Next, fold the plastic bag in half so that the handles are touching. Hold it in half again. Also, make sure to take all the air out. Then from the bottom, make a triangle and then another triangle till you make it to the top. Make sure to keep the plastic straight each hold. At the end, tuck the remaining piece of plastic into the pocket of the triangle you just made. After making some triangles, store them nicely. I put them into an empty box. Thank you all for watching today. I hope you stay at home safe and doing well. Bye-bye. See you next time.